know who I am?
No.
I am Vicky.
Isn't that a chick's name?
I already ate.
This means I'm gonna have to pick up the check, doesn't it?
I need a favor.
How much?
This will suffice it.
What's the favor?
Sit down.
How's it going?
Let's get right down to brass tacks.
What?
You know, brass tacks. You've never heard that expression?
Afraid not.
Well, it's kind of like, you know what, never mind. Let's get right down to business. I need you to go pick up my package.
Same as last time?
Yes.
You got the money?
I got the money right here. You got the package?
You got the package right here.
Nice day. Same to you. What a nice fellow.
How'd you know I was coming?
I heard you coming! No one ever hears me coming!
How'd you know I was coming?
Screw you! Stop! I'll tell you! It was Chappelle, he set you up!
He set me up? He set me up?
Yeah, that's what I said, he set you up.
Do you have the package?
I do have the package.
Well, where is it?
Wouldn't you like to know?
What? This unacceptable behavior is going to cost you some of your paycheck.
I'll tell you where it is for an extra 10%.
Where is it? You can still escape with your life.
Fine, I'll tell you. It's under my bed.
What? You didn't think I'd look there, did you? I do know where you live.
Do you know who I am?
No.
I am Vicky.
Isn't that a chick's name?
Where the hell is Chappelle?
I don't know.
Tell me.
He went to go get the package.
Where?
He'll get the package long before you do.
I don't want the package, I want Chappelle.
His hideout is by the old wash.
I thought you were dead, you wish.
I'm sorry. I'll give you anything. Take all my money. Just don't kill me, please.
Give me the money.
I can go now, right?
Finally stole a car.